Bhedaghat only.
So we've already directed, there's a master plan. Master plan governs the field.
My lord, may kindly allow me only 2 minutes. I'll
Yes.
give a brief background. My lord, may kindly see page number 81. This is the direction passed in a public interest litigation in 2013. My lord, I would like to read para number 12.
You have our order,
My lord, which order?
the order that we passed in this.
My lord, I have that order. My lord, there are a lot of issues which have not been decided in that petition, my lord, because nobody raised those issues.
Ms. Anand, you're referring to which order?
My lord, I'm referring to the order passed in 2013 in a public.
So we have referred to that order in our,
My lord,
we've said that order will be strictly complied with.
yes, still they are not complying it.
Ms. Anand, there are two different things.
Yes.
What we have said in the second petition, which was before us, was that there is already an order of 2013, pursuant to which there is a master plan. Master plan read with that order has to be strictly complied with by all authorities.
I
We
agree,
don't,
Your
we
Honor.
don't need to say anything more.
I agree.
That's what we said.
I
You're
agree.
also referring to that 2013 order? If they are not complying with that direction, remedies somewhere else, not by way of a writ petition.
My lord, kindly see my prayer. My
Yes.
prayers are completely different. And before
What
that,
is your
my lord,
prayer?
for a moment, I want to refer this order, page number 81. My lord, may kindly see para number 2, para number 12, subpara 2. So far as the structure which are permissible under para 2 of the master plan, a detailed survey we made by the respondent and a permanent record with photograph, video recording and prepared in that regard. And then, my lord, may kindly see subpara 4. Any legal construction raised after 1/10/2008 or any encroachment made be dealt with strictly in accordance with law. Affected parties should be given an opportunity of hearing by the concerned authority before the aforesaid construction is removed. Then paragraph 6, subparagraph 6, the aforesaid order be given effect to within a period of 3 months from today and a compliance report be filed in the registry of this court. So the compliance report was to be filed within 3 months from this order. My lord, kindly appreciate the consequences because of,
Anand,
yes.
in your writ petition, we are not going to revisit this order. This order already stands. If there is non-compliance of this order, remedy is not a fresh writ petition.
My lord,
Writ petition determines rights.
I'm not asking the same order. My lord, may kindly see my
So
prayer.
what are you seeking?
My lord, may kindly see my prayer.
In fact, the relief number 6 is on the same line.
My prayer is completely different, my lord.
Number 6 is for the compliance of order in WB number 7229/13. And
My lord-
other reliefs are also connected with the same.
My lord, may kindly see prayer, page number 59 of the prayer. The second prayer is that issue a writ and in the nature of mandamus or any other appropriated directing respondent number 1 to establish a town and country planning authority in terms of the MP Nagar Tatha Gram Nivesh Adhiniyam 1973 and replace the Nagar Panchayat Bhedaghat and local body currently in charge of implementation of Bhedaghat Development Plan 2021. My lord, there is a specific provision in the Bhedaghat Development Plan. My lord, this plan was made by the state government itself. If your lordship allow me, so I can hand over this plan.
So what is the contention in this respect?
Yes, your lordship. My lord, in chapter 8 of the Bhedaghat Development Plan, it is stated that the Bhedaghat Development Plan will be implemented by this authority, Nagar Tatha Gram Nivesh Authority. And by the time this authority is not established, Nagar Parishad CMO, Nagar Parishad Bhedaghat will be in charge of the development. My lord, but what happening is that Nagar Parishad CMO, they are fabricating the documents, and I have a specific proof on this. They are not complying with the direction and guideline of
Have
the
you
development
annexed those documents here?
Yes, my lord. I have annexed all the documents.
Where is the prayer to take action against them?
Prayer number 8, Roman 8, pass an order and direction upon the CMO Bhedaghat directing him to bring forward to this honorable court all the records relating to any decision of permission or
Have you
regularization.
given any instance where this has been done?
Sorry?
Have you given any example or instance?
Yes, your lordship.
Where, what paragraph?
Yes, your lordship. There are a lot of, in the other petition.
Have you annexed some photographs of the area?
Yes, my lord. I have enclosed all the photographs, but before that, my lord,
My lord, in fact, the petitioner has not disclosed one very important
I
aspect.
will
in-
come to that point. This is my.
What is that aspect?
My lord, what has happened, my lord?
My lord, in
The
this,
petitioner has claimed that she is belonging to Orcha. In fact, one application we have moved, my lord, in which, my lord, we have brought on record that her mother is staying there. And in Bhedaghat, my lord, they have one hotel, and the picture I have also enclosed along with my application, my lord. This is 7999/25 filed on 27/8/2025. Yes. But this is
799?
but this is 977/25 filed on 27/6/2025. But I have annexed the Samagra ID portal, my lord, wherein the name of the mother of the petitioner is at serial number 1. The name of the petitioner is at serial number 3 at page 6. And thereafter, my lord, there is an hotel picture, my lord. This is Temple View, page 8.
So their hotel is also in breach.
My lord, we issued the notice, my lord, that is annexure R3. She responded by saying so, that since the matter is pending, from where it has to be calculated, all
reply, this was served 3 days ago and I have not even filed any reply to this application where you have containing this. My lord, in this regard, my lord, if I request that mic can be muted because this is my personal matter, my lord, I would like to inform the court. My lord, in 2007, my biological mother expired. And because of that, I had to move Orcha because she is not my biological mother. And her daughter specifically said that you cannot stay here. So I had to leave this, and this is the death certificate of my mother. And my lord,
That's all right, but this is also illegal construction. So action will be
but
taken.
I don't know whether it is a legal or illegal. That is to be looked into by the Nagar Parishad Bhedaghat. And I'm not seeking any relief or any grievances against this. Not to be submission.
Counter affidavits need to be filed.
my lord, this is our application, my lord.
I have
No, not application, on the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am.
Counter affidavits have not been filed.
My lord, this issue has now been decided for 300 meters. It
No.
has to be
No,
taken.
no, you see, her prayer is not only illegal construction, her prayer is with regard to replacement of authorities, etc. So somebody has to respond to it. Is there a Bhedaghat development plan?
Yes, my lord. That,
So somebody has to say this is the plan and we are following it.
Yes,
Somebody
sir.
has to say that on
my
record.
lord, this is annexure application for dismissal, my lord. Annexure.
Application for
R3
dismissal is not a counter affidavit.
Yes, sir. But that Bhedaghat plan of 2016 we have brought on record.
Which is the
Annexure R3.
authority, which has to do it? And she is saying that the person who is there as an ad hoc authority, he is giving rampant permissions illegally. So somebody has to respond to it in the counter.
fabricating the documents.
My lord,
Somebody has to respond to it. Your authorities have to respond, file a counter affidavit.
my lord, my submission is that since the issue was sub judice with regard to 300 meters, my lord, so the
300
initially there was
meters is 300 meters is settled by that judgment.
Yes.
So implement that rest, answer the queries. इसमें लिखना
My lord, if I may just point out, now, sorry to interrupt, my lord. Lord, my only prayer is if my lord may just have the interim order dated
1 second,
18,
1 second.
10, my lord.
Some of the issues arising in this petition have already been dealt with by this court in, where is that?
Well, that is WP number 10561 of 2019, order dated 27th February 25.
By this court, by its order dated 27/2/2025 in writ petition number 10561/2019. Full stop. Insofar as the prayers pertaining to said relief are concerned, the same would be governed by order dated 27/2/2025 in the said writ petition. There are other prayers made by the petitioner. Accordingly, respondents are directed to file a counter affidavit pertaining to the other issues raised by the petitioner in the petition. Full stop. Let the counter affidavit be filed within 4 weeks, list after rejoinder within 2 weeks thereafter, list after 6 weeks. In the meantime, authorities are directed to comply with the order dated 27/2/2025 in WP number 10561/2022 2019 without being influenced by the pendency of the present petition.
My lord,
Strictly,
my-
it strictly follow that order without being.